Miyajima means Shrine Island, and this small island has since ancient times been a sacred place of worship where the gods were thought to live in harmony with mortal man. Miyajima Island is located in the Seto Inland Sea off the coast of Japan. Hiroshima is the nearest major city and the island can be reached by taking ferry from Miyajima-Guchi. The ferry pier is only a short walk from Miyajima-Guchi station. Most of the Miyajima's attractions are concentrated in the small town around Sakushima Shrine, extending to Mount Mizzen. Those who enjoy traveling on foot will find this place close proximity an ideal one. In this video, let us look about detailed information about this historical and the heritage site Sakushima Shrine. This ancient Shinto shrine, constructed around 1168 CE, is the center of activity on the island of Miyajima. This shrine is unique in that it is built over water. Each of the buildings, the main hall, the prayer hall, and the theater are well supported by stilts and connected by boardwalks over the water. The shrine is a mere 10-minute walk from the ferry terminal. Paths are also lead from the shrine all around the inlet, and visitors enjoy viewing the sea from these paths. The word torii means bird abode. These gates are built at the entrance to a Shinto shrine to demarcate the transition from the ordinary to the sacred. The floating torii gates was built as the entrance to the Sakushima Shrine, the family shrine of Taira no Kiyomori. At high tide, both the gate and the shrine appears to float on the water. This is the time that affords the best views and photo opportunities. When the tide recedes, the visitors can walk to the gate on the exposed seabed to view it up close. The gate as well as the shrine is illuminated for a few hours after sunset each day. The name Sakushima literally means island of worship, and from ancient times the island itself was worshipped as god. It was originally built in 1423 years ago. In 593 CE by Seki no Kuramoto. Later, Taira Kiyonomori became heavily involved with the shrine. It is said he erected this shrine on top of water after becoming the first samurai to assume the role of Dairo Daijin, the head of the imperial government. In 1571, it is said the Mori clan renovated the main hall and reconstructed the old torii gate and arched bridge. Since long ago, worshippers have come to Sakushima Shrine to pray for the safety of the Seto Inland Sea. From the time of worship from the late Heian period, the name of the shrine spread far and wide. The idea of paying homage at Sakushima Shrine became popular among fishermen and tradesmen who sailed in the Seto Inland Sea. In the Edo period, along the popular pilgrimages to Ise Shrine and the Shrine of Shiko, the Sakushima Shrine became the main pilgrimage destination for people living in the western Japan. Sakushima Shrine is the only shrine at the Otori Gate in Japan built where the tide swells beneath it and retreats into the distance. The main shrine, connected by beautiful corridors to the Marodo Shrine, Tenjin Shrine and No Theatre stage, are all in perfect balance with the nature surrounding it. The magnificent composition and architecture of the shrine does not fail to enthrall the thousands of visitors who travel to visit the shrine. It's been designated as a national treasure. After entering the Sakushima Shrine complex, the biggest of the 4 shrines and secondary shrine within the shrine is dedicated to the 5 male deities. In the large central shrine, First you will come to worship hall and then the purification hall. The main shrine is dedicated to three female deities. The three female deities have long been dutifully worshipped as they are the gods of the sea, transport, fortune and arts. Along with the Marodo shrine and the corridors, the main shrine is also designated as national treasure. Mori Motonari reconstructed the main shrine in 1571 and is one of the biggest in Japan. The mystical Sakushima Shrine, built on the water, inscribed as a World Heritage Site in 1996, a place where people have long carried out ancient rites. Sakushima Shrine has become world-renowned, attracting visitors from all over Japan and the rest of the world. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's stay connected, explore, dream and discover. Please like and share my videos. Thank you once again.